Hello, food enthusiasts and hospitality professionals. Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of 14 essential food preparation methods. Whether you're aiming to impress at home or hone your skills for the hospitality world, this guide has something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Let's start with techniques that focus on precision and gentle cooking. These methods preserve flavors, textures, and nutrients. Briefly boil your ingredients, then cool them in ice water. Blanching is perfect for vibrant vegetables and peeling fruits. Poaching in hot liquid below boiling point is ideal for delicate ingredients like eggs, fish, and fruits. Steam cooks food gently without added oils, a fantastic choice for vegetables and dumplings. Simple yet effective. Boiling is perfect for pasta, potatoes, and soups, but avoid overcooking to retain nutrients. Next, we move to methods that enhance flavor and texture, adding character to your dishes. Direct heat from a flame creates smoky, charred flavors, perfect for meats, vegetables, and seafood. Infuse your food with rich, smoky aromas using wood chips. It's a slow process but worth every bite. Quickly fry ingredients in a small amount of oil. Great for stir-fries and for preserving vibrant colors and textures. Immerse food completely in hot oil for crispy golden results. Think French fries and crispy chicken. Similar to sautéing, but with slightly more oil. It's perfect for achieving a crispy exterior on fish or cutlets. These methods are all about taking your time to develop deep flavors. Cook food slowly in liquid, allowing flavors to meld together beautifully. Dry heat cooks food evenly in the oven, caramelizing ingredients for rich depth. Try roasted vegetables or a turkey. Finally, here are techniques for creativity and control. These are great for bringing your unique flair to a dish. From bread to desserts, baking uses dry heat in the oven for even cooking and delightful textures. Intense heat from above cooks food quickly, perfect for caramelized finishes on dishes like casseroles and fish. And there you have it. 14 incredible methods to elevate your cooking game. Whether you're steaming, smoking, or roasting, there's a method for every mood and occasion. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more culinary tips and tricks. And as always, keep cooking with passion.